So now that we have the point where the sun is supposed to be, like this point right here is a sunrise, this point is a sunset, this is noon, we're going to connect the dots right here and make that solar arc, the solar path. Okay, so what we can do is make sure that you can see these 3 points. For the summer, we're going to make an arc, and arc is this point right here. If you expand this up, you could get several different options for an arc. Arc center, arc start. What we're going to do is the arc start, endpoint, and then endpoint of arc. So it is the right click on the second one, arc, start point on arc, and then end. I believe that's it. So if I right click, start point, point on the arc, and then the end point, it gets me this arc thing right here. That's how the sun is going to travel from sunrise, noon to sunset. In the equinox, let's try that again. From the sunrise, point on the arc, and then this is why I say make sure that you can see all of the endpoints. There it is, and that's the arc of the sun as it travels across the earth. Winter, it's going to start sunrise here, noon is going to be low on the horizon, and it's going to end at sunset over here. So let's draw another arc. Select, and select. And with that, I have these 3 arcs in the sky. If we look at this on the top view, like so, we can see the relationship between our Sun-Earth tools. Right? So right here, this arc, this arc, this arc should somewhat relate to what this thing is doing here. Okay? So summer sun path, the equinox sun path, and the winter sun path. Okay? So once we have this arc, we can make a solar diagram, solar path diagram with it. So I would keep this on file for the 121 class. You will need to do the same thing for the 101 project, but instead of using Mount Sac as the location, you will use La Jolla, California as the location. Okay? So that is going to be part of your homework for the 101 class, but it is work here to be done in the 121 class. Okay? And we'll show you how this is going to be relevant when, or how to use this information that we just drafted up.